Welcome to Camp Fish Cook in 3, 2, 1. Today we are at Lake of the Prairies in Manitoba's Parkland region. We just got our campsite all set up at Rickers Campground and headed straight to the boat launch, and we are going to get to fishing right now. Okay guys, that is another awesome Lake of the Prairies walleye. I'm gonna get this guy right back. You can get them in size and numbers here. That's one of the best parts about it. It's a little bit windy today, so we're kind of hiding just on this side of the bridge, just off the current seam. But it's a really simple presentation. It's just basic spinning rod, basic spinning reel, and a jig and a leech. We got our leeches at Buckets at Rickers Campground. They got everything you need there, so that makes it super easy.
Here's another eater walleye. This one's gonna go right in the live well. We're gonna head back into camp here right away and cook up some fish tacos for supper.
Okay, so we are back at the campsite. This campsite is awesome. It's got absolutely everything you need, and it's so close to the boat launch. Kevin is already cooking up some food, so let's check out what he's doing.
So we like to add a ton of toppings to our tacos. So we got a whole bunch of vegetables cut up here. They're about to be sauteing on the stove. We got the fire going. We're about to put the walleye on there. Sauces, toppings, you name it. We're so excited to dig into this.
That was such an awesome way to end the day, such a good dinner. And the best part is it's really not that hard. Like, anyone can do it. You just cut up your fish, fry them, and get your favorite toppings and put it all together. It is definitely one of my favorite fish recipes. This campground is absolutely awesome. It's got everything you need. And if you forget something, we have the convenience store Buckets just down the road. They have an awesome selection of bait and tackle. They have all the necessities, and they have a grill and patio. For the rest of the evening, we are just gonna sit back, relax, enjoy the fire. If you wanna see more information about the whole trip and the recipe, check out the blog post linked below.